Hi Cubs, so this week's activity is going to be to do with the chef's badge, and we're going to have a little Cubs bake-off. So I'm going to go through some hygiene things that you might need to do, and then I'm going to send you some links to some example recipes that you could cook. The best baked goods win a prize. So the first thing you need to do is you need to wash your hands. So you need to make sure you use it with hot water, wait for it to warm up. Maybe if you've got a bad boiler, it might wait longer than others. Okay, now you've got hot water, you're going to use some soap. Can you say happy birthday? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adam. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so we've got lots of soap all over our hands. Wash it off. We're good to go. Next thing you need to do is get your clean all your surfaces. So use some antibacterial spray and then wipe off all of the crumbs and things with your hand. Get this nice and clean. And put this all in the bin. So depending on what recipe you choose to do, you might need knives. So you need to be really careful with these knives. You need to be holding them with one hand at all times. When you're chopping something, you just make sure that your fingers couldn't possibly touch it. And always make sure that there's a parent or guardian with you when you're chopping things. So that's talking through all the safety types of things you need to do and all the hygiene. So I'll give you a link to some of the example recipes that you can make, like flapjacks or muffins or something like that. And you can make anything you like, it doesn't have to be that. Here's a Malteser tray bake that I made yesterday. It's really, really nice. So be inventive, be creative, and yeah, we'll give out some prizes for the best 3 baked goods.